Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Asad Ali and today we are doing November 2009 paper 2 question number 1. So the first requirement is we have to solve the equations. So 2 to the power of y is equal to 8. So to solve this, here it is 2, so I can write 8 as a 2 to the power 3 as well. So it can be written as 2q. So as the bases are equal, so the powers must be equal as well. Whenever there is an equal sign, we can do that. So we can say that y is equal to 3. And b part, we have been given equation that is 3b plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 2 times p minus 3. So to solve this, I will solve the bracket, which is 8 minus 2 times p is minus 2p, and minus minus is plus, and 2 times 3 is 6. So if I simplify this, so this will become 3p plus 2p is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 4. So 3p plus 2p is 5p, and 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 minus 4 is 10. So if I divide both sides by 5, so I will get 2. So this is my answer to p. Now part C. In part C we have to simplify the equations and then solve for q. Minus 16 over q plus 2 is equal to 1. So if I multiply both sides by q plus 2, so this will be q plus 2 times 18 over q, and I will multiply q into q plus 2 as well, minus q into q plus 2 times 16 over q plus 2, and that will be equal to q into q plus 2, because if I multiply 1 by any value, it will become same. So now q and q will cancel out each other, so we will have 18q plus 36. q plus 2 and q plus 2 will cancel out each other, and here we will have minus 16q. So this will be q times q is q square, and q times 2 is 2q, and 18q plus 36 minus 16q. So 18 minus 16 can be simplified as 2q. So 2q is equal to q square minus 36 plus 2q. So this 2q and 2q will cancel out each other, and if I move my minus 36 there, so this will become the q square is equal to 36. So taking a square root on both sides, we have q is equal to plus minus 6. So let's verify these answers by using Casio 991E axiom. So on your calculator, you have to go to the calculation menu, which is first button 1. So suppose we are doing part A, so I will write 2, the power button here, and we have only one variable, which is x. And if you want to type equal sign, you cannot write this, because this will perform the operation. You have to write alpha and calculate. So this is 8, and I cannot press equal, I have to solve this, or shift and calc. So equal sign, x is equal to 3, not solve this. So let's do part C. So first I will write this button, 18 over x minus 16 over x plus 2, then again equal sign, 1, shift, solve, equal, x is equal to 6, here we go. So we got x equals plus minus 6. Now we have to solve the second requirement of the question. So in question, we have been given a quadratic equation 5x squared plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation giving answer to two decimal places. Whenever it says to two decimal places, that means it is obvious that we are going to get answer in decimals, and we cannot factorize it. We must use the quadratic formula to solve this question. So let's write this question. So our question is it's 5x squared plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here we know the coefficient of x squared is a, and the coefficient of x is b, which is 1, and the constant term is c, which is minus 7. So the quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So from that I'm writing over 2a. So x equals, I am plugging in the values, minus 1 plus minus square root of b is 1 squared minus 4, a is 5, and c is negative 7 over 2, and a is 5. So minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1, minus minus will become plus, and 4 5s are 20, and 20 times 7 is 140 over 10. So minus 1 plus minus square root of 141 over 10. So this will be written twice, minus 1 plus minus square root of 141. So let's find the square root of 141 by using the calculator. So square root 141, it's 11.87. So we have to write it to two decimal places. So I will write this as 11.87. So this will be written twice, x equals minus 1 minus 11.87 over 10, or x is equal to minus 1 plus 11.87 over 10. So if I subtract 1 from that, I will get minus 12.87 divided by 10. So this will be minus 1.287. So 287 can also be written as minus 1.29. Now we are going to the other answer. X equals minus 11 plus 11.87 minus 1, so that will be 10.87. 10.87 divided by 10 will give me 1.087. If I write this to two decimal places, it will become 1.09. So let's verify these answers using Casio minimum EX. So on my calculator, I will go to equation menu by pressing menu button, and then I have to go to the equation menu. As we already know that equation menu can be obtained by pressing this button. So now we have polynomial function, because x has a square, that is a quadratic function, square, and the degree is 2 here because this is quadratic equation. So a is 5, that is the coefficient of x squared, b is 1, that is the coefficient of x, and c is minus 7, which is the constant term. So if I press this button, I get 1.087, which is here, and if I write this to two decimal places, it will become 1.09. And the other answer is minus 1.287, which is rounded up to two decimal places, it will be 1.29. And there is a new feature in this calculator. You can also get the minimum value of the x and y. Means the minimum value of y and the value of x at which the value of the function has
minimum value or maximum value depending on the test. So thank you very much for this question.